Okay, so we're going to do this one really, really fast. Okay, it says, and you're just going to have to find the correct word. So like right now I'm doing choosing a bank. It could be on the front of the bank because, you know, we had to cut it and do all this nonsense to it. So just find whichever one this one is. It says, which bank should John choose? Okay, so Smith Bank charges you 10 cents for each check and Jones Bank is free. Monthly check-in fee, free and none. ATM fee is $1. Debit card fee is $2.50 per month here, or free here. So this right here, Jones Bank, and the reason why is because most of this stuff is free. Everybody likes free. Okay, match the following scores to the individuals. Okay, so I have credit scores. Remember, the higher the credit score, the more attractive you are to a bank, and it helps to determine how much your interest rates are, and how likely you are to pay a bank back a loan. So Josh has a low to debit income ratio. That's good because that means his debt to income is pretty small. He has an excellent job and he makes payments on time. Okay, this right here, making payments on time and low debt to income ratio, tells me that this guy probably has a high one, okay? Jack has a high debt to income. That means he has way more debt than he has income. A good job, but misses a payment occasionally, okay? So I'm going to say that Josh is the 780 and Jack is the 590. Anytime you miss a payment, it's really going to affect your credit score. Okay, protecting your credit down here. Let's look at this. It says match the credit score with the credit history. Monthly incomes are the same. Okay, credit card balance is $2,000. I think this is supposed to be over here. Car loan is $250. Student loan payment is $300. Okay, so he pays the balance off every month. This one carries a $2,000 balance. So this one right here would be the lower, and this one would be the higher. Okay? Next page. Lacey's going to Texas Tech University in the fall. She has a grant of $2,500. Which, if you've been studying your vocabulary, that is on there. Okay, a scholarship for $2,000, $1,500 in student loans. She saved $4,000 by working summer jobs. And if it costs $11,500 to attend Texas Tech for a year, does she have enough money to go? Well, let's see. She has $2,500 grant, which a grant you don't pay back, right? $2,000 scholarship, you don't pay that back. $1,500 student loan, which you will have to pay that back, but it's still useful. $4,000 in savings from working her summer job. Okay, let's add this up. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Does she have enough money? Nope. She needs $1,500 more. Okay, Austin is in college, deciding which degree he chooses. A biologist makes $5,050 a month, and a doctor makes $85,000 annually. Which degree should Austin choose if he wants to make more money in a year? Okay, so I know that a doctor in a year makes $85,000. And a biologist is $5,050 times 12. Which one makes more? The doctor. It's It's easy. Y'all shouldn't miss those. Justin wants to attend A&M University for 4 years. It costs $12,000 a year. His parents have a college fund with $35,000 in it. He's qualified for a scholarship of $1,200 a year and $1,000. Does he have enough money to attend college? Well, let's see. Let's talk about how much it is for him to go for all 4 years. So 4 times $12,000 would be $48,000, right? Okay, he has a college fund of $35,000, which is good. A $1,200 scholarship times 4, right? So that's $4,800 going into his account. And then a grant of $1,000, but it's yearly, so that'd be $4,000. That's 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, so he doesn't quite have enough. He's about $5,000 short. So the answer to this would be no. But he could probably get a job, right? And make up that $5,000 over 4 years and still get to go. Brooke has is a high school graduate. She makes $28,150 annually, so that means every year. Jake is a college graduate and makes $31,380 annually. What is the difference in salary after 5 years? Okay, so there's 2 ways you can do this. You could multiply this times 5 and then that times 5 and subtract, or just subtract it first and then multiply the difference times 5. So 31,380 minus 28,150. Okay, so they make a difference of $3,230 per year, but that's not what the question says. It says, what is the difference in the salary after 5 years? So you're going to take 3,230, multiply that times 5. 0, 15, 10, 11. So the difference over 5 years is $16,150. Okay, thanks. Have a great day.